This is Tanvir Kazmi with my news channel See the World through Tanvir Kazmi. Again, I'm here to discuss an important news about ICE, which is U.S. Immigration Enforcement Department, formed after 9/11 to enforce to make sure no illegal immigrant, stays in the country and can cause major unrest or issues in the country. Uh, Definitely, it's a big challenge because there's millions and millions of people come to the country, and it's a big provider for many of the houses lives here and abroad. So, but I understand this importance of enforcement policies, but we have to make sure that every human has a value, and we have to be very careful taking lives of anyone. According to all holy books, it says, "O humanity, every human belongs to your one parent, Adam, your children of Adam, and you spread all over the world." So we need to think about. I understand to create a law enforcement and keep the house secure. It's very important to take some certain measure, but we have to be careful about taking somebody's life because one life mean it disturbs the entire house, entire their family suffer forever. So we have to careful. We have to be very careful to encounter some people. We need to show respect because we all are humans spread all over the world as a one family. So I think it's a training needed to the law enforcement also, and also training needed to the people through media that law enforcement people are here to protect you. They don't lie, they don't hurt, they don't hate you. Its only objective is to help you to protect from all the issues. So they are here. Their training is to enforce, to protect people. But also they should know they should be given training that we are human being. We need to show some patience. Even in your house, you have some disputes in your every house. A member, five, six member, 10 members, you will find some issues or some disagreement. So it does not mean when we start killing each other or we start enforce too much power. It's good. We are thankful to the law enforcement, all departments. They're sacrificing a lot of lives to protect their country and the people. But please remember, one person's killing mean the suffering for the family forever. So we have to be very careful. We need to use certain equipment which cannot take life, but can cause small injuries to protect or stop a person. So even if the woman was running away, the girl did not cooperate, and that caused fear. You have a very strong technology. You have a satellite. It was very easy to trace down. There's no need to kill somebody instantly and without, with so much fear that she can cause major problem. You have a satellite. We have a technology to trace down anybody. You could have run behind and to stop that. There's some other measure you can take. Shoot the tire, or some certain which can cause not death but small injuries to protect the people and stop the person. Please try to remember, it's a very difficult, and it creates chaos and unrest and hate in the society when we take somebody's lives. We need to avoid this because, as I said earlier, according to all holy books, an innocent person dies. That is a permanent, it's a major sin, and God will never forgive that sin. So we need to be very careful and to take action on this. Again, I'm thankful to law enforcement, and I'm with the people who have lost their lives. But we have to be cooperate with the law enforcement. We also make sure that we try to talk to the top management. Everybody here to protect you, and also I think it's a people's right demand to do investigation and put that person into to come into and tell us why you did this and where's the fault and investigate that. The process being used by law enforcement to use excessive measures. We cannot, if we have a gun or holding, that's for our people's protection, not taking people's life. Yes, I understand a lot of injuries happening to law enforcement also. There are a lot of people are in suddenly, uh, take their cars and go into the crowd and crush them. Yes, there are some incident. You need to tell to the people why it happened and how can we avoid in the future to protect human life. So it is rightly demand for the people that person has to brought into justice. That person need to explain where the problem is, where the department can make fix the problem, and how can we save future life of somebody's son, somebody's daughter, somebody's father, mother, grandmother. Let's protect each other. Let's promote, love each other. We are humanity spread all over the world as a one family. Let's work as a family. And yes, it is possible to, if somebody is not living according to the law, it is okay to respectfully depart them, but let's not take somebody's life. We are not here to take life. It creates a lot of chaos and suffering. So let's change. Let's use less force, and let's use some positive way, gradual progress to make things better. Take care. See you next time. Bye.